Okay. Look it up a little bit more. Like all the way, yeah. Okay, go, yeah, keep going.
Oh shit, it just got real around here. Like nigga ain't even sweating.
Go. You're about halfway done.
Oh shit, bro, you're real.
You're so real.
If you do that shit,
You're fucking real.
You're almost there, dude. You're so close.
Come on, man, come on.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. You're almost there.
Come on.
You're almost there, dude.
Suck it.
Come on.
Come on.
Go.
Remy.
Not a drop out of this nigga's mouth. Come on, you got this, bro. You got it, bro.
Hold it. Remy.
Come on. That was pretty much it. That's pretty much it. That's all.
Do you have anything to say?
It was only foam that came out, nothing else.
You were fucking a champ. Happy on your team. Damn, bro. He's leaning right now.
He's done. Dude, when we post this on YouTube, people are gonna be like, why the fuck are they drinking in a shed?
Oh my god.
Get a bit.
You good?